everyone, my name is Aaradhya and today I will tell you about how electricity is produced by wind energy. So first let me explain how electricity is produced. Assume this black piece is a magnet. Inside this magnet there is a coil of copper wire suspended on a rod. When this coil of copper wire rotates inside the magnet, electricity is produced in the coil and go to the transformer, and from that transformer it goes to the national grid where pylons are attached. From those pylons it goes to the another transformer, and that another transformer it is delivered to our house and lights up the bulb and fans. Once a setup of coil of copper wire and magnet is ready, main thing is to rotate this coil of the copper wire. For that, I will use this windmill. Windmill has a fan with big blades. When wind blows, fan rotates, and if you are going to desert like Jaisalmer, on the way you will see lots of big fans. Those are windmills. And do you know world's largest windmill is in Hawaii? Hawaii is in USA. Now let me tell you about what are the other things that are inside the windmill. There is a dynamo. Inside the dynamo there is a magnet. Inside the magnet there is a coil of copper wire suspended on a rod, and that rod is attached at the back of the fan. When fan rotates, rod rotates. Because rotation of the rod, coil of copper wire rotates and electricity is produced in the coil. Look, since there is no wind here, my fan will not rotate automatically. I have to rotate it with my hand. So for that I made this setup. Pay attention at this bulb. Look, bulb lights up. Now let me tell you how it lights up. When this rotates, my fan rotates, and when my fan rotates, rod rotates, and because rotation of the rod, coil of copper wire rotates and electricity is produced in the coil. And through the wire that is attached to the windmill is delivered to the house and lights up the bulb. Now again pay attention at the bulb. I will do it again. Look, bulb light up. This is how electricity is produced by wind energy. Bye bye.